Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. Today I will show you an update to a plugin I created. Just updated it and added some more features to it. So starting from today, the Movieomatic plugin will be able to also import now playing movies, upcoming, top rated, popular, latest. So these were not included in the plugin before, but are now. So the plugin was updated to include now playing, upcoming, top and popular movies. So let's give this a try. Let's say I want to import movies that are now playing in theaters. Let's select the language first. I want English United States. I want to import 5 movies that are now playing, and let's run importing. Notice that also there will be some additional shortcodes that were added that were not available until now. The item reviews, item cast, and item crew. And also you can embed the trailer for the movie directly. I will show you this in a minute. But now let's check my blog. And here are top 5 uh, now playing movies that are playing right now in the cinemas. Fast and Furious with the trailer embedded. Okay. So let me change right now the post content. So let us use these new shortcodes. I copied them and let us enter here some new stuff. So paste them here and let's say I want to put here movie cast, movie crew, and here movie reviews. So like this. Okay, now let's save. Let's delete previous posts and run importing again to re-import the old posts that I had here. So okay, these are the posts. Let's refresh the page. So these were already imported, but if we check the Fast and Furious post, now also movie cast, movie crew, and movie reviews. Okay. Now let's get back and delete the posts imported from here. Okay, and now let's go to upcoming movies. Here you can select also a language. Let's go with English. You can select also a region for the movie. Let's leave this at any. And let's import 5 movies to demonstrate this, how this looks. So if we go to our blog, we will see that there are also some upcoming movies. Okay, now go to top rated, English United States, 5, and let's see which movies are top rated right now. Let's clean up the upcoming movies. And let's refresh to check the top rated movies. So Shawshank Redemption, Parasite, these are the top rated movies in the movie database. Let's delete posts and let's check which movies are popular. United States, also 5 posts. Let's check popular movies now. So if we go to our blog, refresh, and here are some popular movies. Okay, now delete these posts and the latest movie. This is the latest movie that was added to the movie database. So this is not a movie that is playing, that it was released, the latest released, but it's the latest added to the movie database. So bank robbery student film was the latest that was added to their database. Okay, so this is the update. Oh, and one more thing, the plugin will also be able to automatically update posts if they are already posted if you check this checkbox. So if you don't check it, post will be skipped. If you check it, the post will be updated. Okay. So this is all for this update. I hope you will enjoy the new features of this plugin. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates and more content like this. And until next time, bye bye.